All right, so once we're on Alex, we need to learn how to use the program. So you'll see that we have our landing bar. You'll see this little toolbar on the bottom left with all these icons. That's on my screencast. So Alex knows what you know, and then it helps you figure out what you got to do. You learn. You would take an assessment. If you got it, you go on. You have your main menu that can get you back to your reports and everything else. Notification bell, if a message, if there's a test coming up, whatever else. Um, there's always a suggestion of what they want you to do. And then we have our different tools. Alex has a lot of different things. So start off by being able to type in numbers. You can do that for sure. It has an undo button and you can click next. So fractions, we're going to use the numerator and denominator. Put it in. There you go. Um, Exponents, you need to make sure that you put in the exponent button, otherwise it will not work correctly. So 5 squared, which is 5 to the power of 2, which would be 25. That's just an expression. You'll see the bar in the upper right is moving along because I'm getting everything I got to do done. We're plotting a point, so it snaps to the grid. There is a ruler, so there's no excuse to not have straight lines. Use your pencil to get the second coordinate in quadrant 4, and then draw your line.
Draw your line.
Calculator. So the calculator will only show up when you need it. You do need to work on your mental math. Alex will give it to you when you need it. It's got all the things you need. Congratulations, I have completed my tools tutorial, and you're ready to go.